Hello, hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today for you I have an unboxing, a review, and a swatch all in one. It is from ABGel. It is a starter kit. It comes with the lamp included along with 8 bottles of polish. I'm going to show that out to you right now. I don't have room on my desk to sit the box and take everything out, and I'm very sorry for that. But I will do my best this way. This is the lamp. Sits flush on your table, your desk, whichever you want to use. You got 30, 60, and 90. You have got your sensors. And I believe there's 18 lights. It is a 36 watt lamp. And it is big enough to fit your whole entire paw in there and get your whole entire hand. Which is good to know. That we're going to sit right there. You have got your polishes, your 3 mini foundations, where's the cord? Oh my goodness. You have got your USB cord for your lamp. So I'm going to plug this in now while I'm thinking about it, because I will be needing it. It also comes with remover gel pads, and if you flip it over, you get your nail gel cleanser. And last but not least, it comes with this little goodie here. You get your toe separators, a brush, which is nice to have, fingernail clippers with your file. Ooh. Cuticle oil, very, very nice. Very nice. You've got your pusher, your cuticle cleaner, and your 180 grit file along with your buffer. Very, very nice. Didn't know it came with all that. Nice little gift. Ow. Okay. Alright, we are going to open these. You have got your top coat, base coat, and matte top coat. And for polishes, ta-da! These are our colors. It goes from 176, 175 to 182. Beautiful. Well, I'm going to pause. I'm going to get set up, and we are going to do some swatching. Right, I am back. I have got 8 swatch sticks in the lamp carrying for 30 seconds with the base coat on. Yeah. Trying to get my ducks in a row here. And I'm not totally set up like I should be. I'm sorry. Still trying to put them in a row. There we go. Whoops. Yeah, I'm not opening them all until I'm ready for them. Okay, our first one is 175. It's like a mint green. These are, I think, pastel colors. Yep, these are pastels. This is definitely a mint green. Number 176 is a yellow, like a chick yellow. a baby chick yellow. These will need 2 coats. Let me show it to you before I pop it in the lamp. I'm going to cure these all at one time. The second coat I will do off camera, just so you don't have to watch me do what I'm doing again. I like this lavender, it's really pretty. These are very stunning colors. Very, very pretty. Excuse me. 178. This will be our pink. Our baby pink. Oh yeah, there we go. Really pretty. Could be opaque in one coat, I guess. This has, I doubt that you can see it. Looks like it has a slight shimmer to it. I doubt that you can see that. $179. This is our white. Here in southeastern Michigan, we are getting snow again today. Supposed to be 2 to 4, but I doubt it. We'll probably get 2. Two's too much for me. Sorry for the hobble and the bobble. My camera is connected to my desk, so to speak. That oh god, we got a hair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A plastic hair. Yucky, yucky, yucky. This reminds me of like a Barbie pink. This is number 180. I think this is really pretty. This will be great in the summertime. Could also wear it in the spring, but in the summer, I see a lot of nail art done with it. You could wear it over black. You could wear it over white. Now this is number 181. Oh, look at here. This is like an orange family. Coral. I really like this. And number 182. This is our purple. Oh, our purple. Looky here. Oh, you're not going to be able to see this well. This is a topper, a purple topper. Oh, I hope you can see it. That is just beautiful. Oh, pop this in the lamp. I'm going to cure those for 30, and I'm going to do the second coat, like I said, off camera to save yourself the time of watching me do a second coat. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Please share my videos, give a full view, give me a thumbs up. Click the bell when you subscribe, please. I know I'm kind of going out of order here. Please subscribe, click the bell, and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos, because I do giveaways. I'm doing them like 1 or 2 a month all from now till summer. So I have one going on right now. I draw on tomorrow, the 14th. So I still have 2 going on. They are for US only. Unfortunately, I'm very sorry, international. But you still have time to find those videos and enter. Right now I'm going to pause. I'm going to do a second coat and I will be right back. Alright, we are back. We have put 2 coats on each nail. Number 182, the purple, I put 3 coats on, but I also went ahead and did half the nail matte, half the nail glossy. I don't know if you can tell. I think on this one you can. Definitely like the glossy better. You can see more of the deliciousness in it. I think so anyways. Like the mint green and the yellow. Definitely love them glossy, not matte. I'm just a glossy kind of girl. Some colors like black, dark purple, they look good matte. But I don't know. I like a glossy. That's just me. To each their own. You may like a matte. But this is the ABGel line for the starter kit. I think this is great for a beginner starting out. You got your wide variety of colors. You got your 3 foundations. These are minis. I want to say, I don't know if they're 5 ml or 8. I can't. They're like really tiny. Maybe you can tell because I cannot. But I do love the colors. I think this one here, number 182, is my favorite. That and the pink, number 180, the Barbie pink. I think that's a beautiful color as well. This I could wear matte. So you can see this side of the nail is matte, this side is glossy, and it's a no wipe top coat. You get this, remember, you get the lamp, all the goodies that I showed you. And here it is on Amazon for $41.99. I was hoping they would have a coupon because I didn't think I paid that much for it. Which is 11-piece nail polish starter kit, 36 watt lamp, like I said, 8 colors, and you get the no wipe top coat, you get your glossy top coat, and your matte top coat, and your base. I think I said that the first time, didn't I? But there you go, $42. I think it is a great buy. You get your white, which is always handy to have. You get your wide variety of colors, your 3 foundations, your lamp, your removal pads, your cleanser pads, all your little goodies in the case. I think it's a great gift. You could buy this for somebody else. You could buy it for yourself. You know, whatever you want to do. I think it's a great idea. A great starter kit for somebody who's just starting out on the gel line. Has a great lamp, easy to use. So yeah, this is my review, my swatches. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you like what you saw. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Are you a glossy girl or are you a matte girl? Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.